Hey guys, hi, this is Priyanka, and this is such a comfortable position to sit at, so I'm really enjoying it. But I wanted to today show you some of the stuff that I bought from a very cute, like vintage shop, and I just thought I'll do like a U-Haul kind of a thing. And if you know what that means is that I'm just gonna show you the stuff I bought from there, and I hope that you also like have fun in the process. But just to like fill you in, so I actually am on another trip to actually see one of my really good friends. She's like a sister, honestly, and she lives in Boston. And I am sort of like planning a road trip from the DC area to Poconos again, because I really loved Poconos last time, and I wanted to do like a chairlift thingy, and it was closed last time, so I decided to go through Poconos to Boston and then further up to New Hampshire, and like Boston, New Hampshire, Vermont, all of that, and then come back. So I am staying with her for a couple of days. And so, anyway, so in this road trip, my first stop was Poconos again. And Poconos has like, it's like there are many like small towns and small like cities, you can say, around Poconos mountains. And I've been really enjoying the small town cute vibe, just the fresh air, the mountain, the fall colors, and again like the small town cute vibe. So I really wanted to stop at Poconos for that reason, and also to experience the chairlift, which I did, which was so much fun. And I think by this time I would have either uploaded that video or I would upload it. So yeah, so I like on the way back to Poconos actually. So during the chairlifting experience, I made again so many friends. I talked to so many people. Hopefully, didn't annoy them, but like one couple, like one old couple, like they suggested me to check out this other town very close to Palmerton, where the chairlift thingy was. And so I decided to go and check that place out, because it was like only like 40 minutes from the lodge from where they were launching the chairlift. So I was like, I have the whole day, so why not go there, right? And I went there. It was such a cute town. Like it was like a really cute small town. And what I did was that I drove to this like place which is supposed to have like this scenic rail road service, but it was really crowded, and so I was like, I'm not gonna go today. Today is Saturday. I thought I would go like maybe Monday or sometime when it would hopefully be not that crowded. So I didn't do that, right? But on the way back, I saw like I was just like looking around, like on the way back, like the when the traffic is slow, and if the vibe is cute, I like to look around and just see what kind of shops are around, right? And I saw like I came across this really cute while driving, actually, this really cute like antique like vintage antique slash like vintage shop, you can say. And I stopped by and I talked to the lady. She was really sweet, and I even like we even talked about how to promote your business, like, on social media and all of that. And we it was really fun to talk to her. And so basically I bought some of the stuff from there, right? So I just want to like show you guys what I bought actually. Some of them are, wow, the hair, wow, that was rough. um yeah, yeah, I'm sorry for the interruption. What was that? There was like a, but anyway, so I wanted to show you some of the stuff I got there, and I decided to purchase some of the stuff because I am really into like these days I'm really into like giving character to my house, and I like to create like corners at my home. Like one is coffee corner, one is like meditation corner. I'm really into all of that these days. I think it's because I've stayed in so many Airbnbs that I found that inspiration, I think, from there. And yeah, and that spoke to me, like that made sense to me. So I've been really trying that, like a coffee corner, a meditation corner, like a light corner, and all of that. So this shop was perfect in the sense that I found all these stuff that I can use in my home and like continue to renovate or decorate, however you want to say it. And then wow, this video is already 5 minutes and I haven't shown my stuff. I try my best to get to the point, but then I am just so excited, to share with you guys like my travel experiences and just like uh, yeah, all the fun experiences, right? So I don't blame myself for talking a little bit longer than I had originally thought. But anyway, so yeah, so I and I really like this antique place because, like I said, I found all those like cute stuff that I can use in my apartment and like just decorate it, or even if I move somewhere, I'm gonna take them with me because they are very light weight. And then the other reason is that, and they're very unique stuff, and the other reason I like this place was that they actually had antique stuff. It wasn't like mimicked or imitated. It was like from different places. Like she has gotten this stuff from like Lancaster, from all these places, and they seems like antique. And some of them are not, are like modern, of course, and then some of them are antique, because I haven't seen any antique shop which is like purely antique. So I kind of like normalize it now when I talk about antique shops or vintage shops. So that was other reason. So like I like these stuff, and B, like it was authentically antique shop, truly speaking. And then third one was it was so cheap, like some of the stuff I got. So with that, let me start showing you what I got. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, look at this. And um, life is a journey. Fill your tank with joy. And I really like these like cute quotes, and I'm kind of like very hippie in the way I like to present my surrounding, and sometimes the way I want to present myself. And I think I'm very hippie, like kind of like deep down. So this is like very like antique hippie style. And let's see where I put it. I don't have much idea where I would put it, but maybe like I have a balcony, and maybe I'll put it in the balcony and just create like a corner in my balcony, like a space in my balcony with like good vibes all around me. And then choose kind. I'm really big on this, and it doesn't mean what I want to say about this is that choosing kindness doesn't mean that you put yourself secondary to others. Choosing kindness means that you take care of yourself, you put yourself as a priority, and then you also practice kindness to others. So it's like not one way or the other, both can go hand in hand, and it's like a concept in itself. And so yeah, so I bought that. And then, oh my god, I'm actually really excited. Oh, by the way, okay, can you guess how much is this? Like, this is like wood, right? This is wood. This is not like light stuff. This is like wood. So this was, I think, $5. No kidding. And this guy, wow, where is the receipt actually? And this guy was, I don't know where I kept the receipt, but this guy, I think it was like, wait, like it was it was $15. It wasn't like super cheap. And then let's see. And guys, I'm like, and when I decorate my balcony, I'm going to give you a tour of that. Oh, fall is here, fall is here. Oh my god, I'm like, fall is here. So this is what I'm going to actually it looks good. So this will go in my balcony somewhere. Like I have so many like lights in my balcony, and I think I'm gonna like put this there. And like I said, I'm really excited to try all of this, and then like redo some of the corners of my house again. And will be really fun. Okay, let me pick that. Uh, Wait, where did that go? Okay, so the other thing, wow, the other thing is, guys, I'm not gonna delete the blooper because it's a, it's because it's like part of life, right? All of this, but this is like hand soap. Yeah, this is not really very interesting. And then, wow, and then there is this thing too. Oh wow, actually, guys, so this look at this. Oh my god. Ah, I'm like so excited with this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so this is about love. And I really like it because people think love is like controlling someone and or changing them or like that, but that's not love. That's being selfish in a negative way, and that's being not nice to your partner. I think love is, and what it says, I truly believe that love is patient, love is kind, love is not envious or boastful or arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice in wrongdoing but rejoices in the truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Of course, it's not ideally what I think love is. It's of course like a quote, but that's the gist of it. Like it's like it's kind, it's kind. But yeah, okay, so and then I think I have another thing to show you guys. Let me see if I can grab it. Oh, wow, this is going to be a very fun. Okay, so this lady, guys, you have to follow her. And by the way, if you are in this Jim Thorpe, yeah, that's where I was. Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. Please go to this shop. Seriously, it's like one of the best antique or vintage shops I've been, and I've been to quite a few actually. I would like to say that. And then beautiful hidden treasures, and this is again. Oh, this is Lehighton, Pennsylvania. It's like very close to Jim Thorpe. There are like many small towns around each other. You know how it is, right? Like so yeah, so that's all, guys. I thought, why not, while I'm unpacking, while not unpack with all of you and show you guys what I've got. And these are the stuff which I'm really excited when I was purchasing, and they're really affordable. Like all of that was like $60. Breathe, Priyanka. All of that was $60, and I'm very excited actually. And I am gonna go now, and I'm really excited for this trip. And I will keep vlogging a little bit. At first I was like, no, I'm gonna just like reset and not use phone, but clearly I cannot do that. But guys, I wanna really thank you again for just like being part of this community. And please take care of yourself. And I wanna leave you guys with this. Okay, bye, take care.